Good morning, traders. How are we doing today? This is Johnny with the Investing for Beginners community, starting its first official morning live trading session for our new community, Learn to Earn, or LTE for short. Guys, this is a new community that I started for everyone here. Investing for beginners was always meant to be a long-term style investing, passive income, dividends, companies that pay monthly and quarterly dividends, and ways to invest your money while doing very little. Learn to Earn is going to be our day trading, swing trading platform. So definitely check that out in our Discord, okay? Right here, Learn to Earn. We have announcements, we have our trade ideas, we have morning live trading. We even have giveaways that we are going to be doing. You can earn cash and prizes every single month. As time goes on, cash and prizes will get bigger, and winners will be announced at the beginning of each month. Okay, the only rules to qualify is you must be a YouTube subscriber. Okay, now we have main chats and swing chats. We have charts and patterns right here to show you some interesting concepts, breakouts, stuff like that. ETF guides, SEC filing, and weekly economic reports and economic calendars. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. Learn to Earn is going to be our new community. Also, I have to spread a couple of links around, but definitely take some time to check out our Investing for Beginners community.com. I may be putting a sub area here for our Learn to Earn platform, which would be good for you guys, or I may even create a whole nother website. I'm not too sure yet, but that'll be to come. Now give me just a moment to spread my links around. Oh, with that said, you will get a free weekly newsletter, our free Financial Freedom Can Be Easy 10-step guide on how you can start learning how to invest your hard-earned money, a free budget template that you could use, and this is all free. You also get access to our entire website, blogs, stuff like that. So definitely check out our Investing for Beginners community. Give me just a second to spread my links around to our other community members here. We have over 70,000 members, 71,000 members now in our Investing for Beginners private group. Almost no spam at all. We have a very awesome moderator that eliminates all spammers and scammers alike, so that way you feel safe when beginning to trade. Now give me just a second to spread my links. That way we can get started. We're going to share our screen and go from there. This was a really great day, making $254 in a single day. Pretty awesome. And we are also going to talk about that. Welcoming new members, always getting new members in our group, and etc. So let's go ahead and start sharing our screen. Now PLTR, we did trade yesterday. We made some pretty decent money on that trade. A majority of that $250 came from exactly that, which was pretty cool. So yeah, let me get my announcements right here. Oh, it's not really an announcement, it's our first morning live trading session. Paste, and then we'll begin. If I could find an easier way to do this, I definitely will. I definitely will try to find a faster, more efficient way of doing this for sure. Come on. Just want to make sure all of our community members have access to this. It is 100% free, but eventually I may end up charging or having you guys pay for this. I'm not too sure yet. It's still too early to tell. But yeah, with Palantir, we did look at, now they had a 15%, 16% now drop, which is just insane because we were able to make some pretty decent money yesterday from lows to this high, about 4% on a couple $1,000, so not too bad. So what is it doing today? Well, two things. It can either bounce and go up off of this EMA and then go back down, which is probably what it's going to do. Probably going to start selling off. So we're going to be watching this chart for just a few minutes here and see exactly what it's doing as I spread my links around. Welcome, good morning, welcome to the live stream. If you guys have any stocks you want me to check out or review for you, definitely leave a comment below and I could review those companies for you. People are going to be rolling in now that I finally spread my link. And there we go. Perfect. All right. Hello, welcome. Looks like we have a few people joining in now. Let's get more people watching. Hello, welcome. Thank you. Put a hey, hi, hey, hello, wherever you want to do. Let people know that you are here. Call out some stocks if you want. Just let me know what you guys want me to talk about most, and I can do that for you. Got a couple people, second round, saying hey. Levon saying Neo. Okay, yeah, we can look at Neo real quick. Neo on the 4 hour. Okay, I could see why you called it out. You must be a subscriber because you clearly saw that this was in a rejection period. You're seeing signs of consolidation at that 360, 370 level, and now you're seeing signs of confirmation. Now, for anyone who got into this company on, let's just say April 22nd to now, you'd be up 57% in 2 weeks. Okay, that would be $570 on a $1,000 investment. Now we use $1,000 as an example for a lot of our investors on this channel because that is usually an average amount that new investors will trade with. As for me, I do have an account with over $30,000. I took $1,000 out of my margin account, which I'm able to, of course, buy, sell, and short, and able to use that $1,000 now in a cash account to show you guys how to trade, make money, double your account size. I went from $1,000 to $3,000 in a matter of 4 months using a simple guide like this. If you want to learn more about that, definitely do. This gives me a rough draft of where I need to be daily, weekly, and monthly on my target goals to make that $25,000 and get you guys out and under that PDT rule. Okay, he called Neo. Neo's looking pretty good actually. Neo is bouncing off this EMA and SMA line. Already up 2%, but we do want to be cautious with Neo because it looks like it is kind of in fair value range. As you can see on the RSI, it's between the 70 and the 30, so kind of fair value. MACD is starting to kind of curl over here and show an upward direction. So this could technically be a good play to make. Now we are going to wait to see if there's some kind of a pullback. We're going to wait for direction. Getting into this company right now and it go down, we can see a 3% loss. So that's not what we want. We're going to wait and see. Here you go. It's starting to sell off. So good job calling out this stock, Levon. Thank you. Good job. Now let's see. Let's go back to Palantir. Palantir is now selling off. I kind of thought it would because of the overall direction. Okay, as you can see here, it sold off. It got consolidation in that $20 mark, went back up. So from 419, so let's just say 419 to 5 days later, that's a 10% profit. From 425, I'm calling out dates, so April 25th to 4 days later, that's a 10% profit. And then from May 1st to what is this, May 7th? That's a 16% profit. Okay, and we did trade here, which is pretty awesome. We bought down at the $23 level, sold. Where's our sell at? Must be right here. Sold 10 at 24.74, bought, and then sold again. So we do have some trades in this company, but I think overall it may catch this support level here. Now, I did have a community member yesterday ask why I'm thinking it's going to bounce off of this level. Well, because it is showing that the blue EMA line is right around this blue or this green level that I created. Also, there was area here of strong resistance and support. Same thing here. It bounced off this EMA and kind of trailed right here, and then right here it bounced off. So there's actually 3 points, technically one, where it shows a bounce. So we are going to be waiting to see that bounce today. Nope, there it goes, starting to sell off. And what we're going to do is play off of it. So once we catch this bounce, say it bounces around this area. Oh, hold on, let me move my screen over. Okay, bounces off this area right here. That's 4% to a previous high. Okay, not too bad at all. Now, old support levels become new resistance levels. Okay. Now we're going to wait for confirmation that this is going up, and we may get into this as well. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Thank you for joining, being part of our community. This is the new Learn to Earn community. Looks like we got some strong bull here, strong bull direction. Now on the 4 hour, it is still selling off. Okay, so we're waiting to see confirmation. 30-minute chart, still selling off. A lot of volume. Look how much volume is in this right now. A lot of volume. So it made its first green candle. Can make another green candle. We may get in just a little bit for a potential 3% profit. Now there are other companies that we do watch, so definitely check them out. I'm gonna see what happens. Wait a couple minutes on this. I don't have a position open right now on Palantir. Did have some good resistance here at these levels. Actually, right around this level would be some strong resistance. See, selling off. So this is a really great indication, right? A lot of times, and even me before, many years when I first got started, I would trade this. Oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. I would buy like right here, and then it would just go up, and I'd make like nothing, right? I'd be like, oh, I'm up 60, almost 1 point, and then it would just crash, and I would lose a bunch of money. I'd already be down 3%. Now that I've been doing this for a while, I'm learning to be patient. Patience is a virtue. Okay, so now it's selling off. We want to see if it can get past this line. Now I know that's putting a lot of taking a lot of money off the table, but it's not, right? It's about 1%, 1.5% to make 3, 4 to 7%, right? That's what we're going to be looking at here today. Now, why are we looking at Palantir? Well, because they made a huge dip. It took them 3 days, 4 days to get to these highs, and it only took a matter of like 45 minutes for it to go all the way down on this candle. Now showing strong signs of rejection on the 4 hour, and now we're looking to try to make more money. See that wick? It's showing signs of weakness. So that means it's just going to continue going down. Okay. And this may just continue to sell off all day because their news was saying that they weren't getting very good business in Europe, where it's mostly located. Let's look at some other companies while we wait. I'm going to set a alert. Create an alert below 2176. And then create an alert right here on this EMA line that goes above. So it's starting to sell off, selling off. Let's look at some other companies. Apple is going up. Apple would have been a nice play this morning, but not much margin there, less than a point. AMD kind of going up and down. Now if it bounces off of this level, we can potentially see it go up a little bit more, about 1% still, nothing crazy. Amazon, Coney, Carvana, they're all kind of trading up and down. So we're 15 minutes into market open. Oh, look at Google. Google would have been a nice play this morning, bouncing off that EMA up to 171. That's a 1.5% profit. You could have bought and sold. And then right here to here, about another 1% profit. So that's a nice little area of resistance. Okay, can you see that? Resistance levels. Can you guys hear me okay too? Hope you can. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, there you go, yeah. Okay, good, good, good. So it should just bounce right off of this resistance level and go back down. We're going to set our alert above 170. And I'm going to say like about right here. We're going to create our alerts. Let's see what happens with Google. Does it bounce off this resistance and go back down? Possibly. Or it can go back up. As you can see, it has plenty of area for it to go up a little bit more. Resistance to here, about 2%. Huge green candle. That would have been nice to get into this morning. See what it does. Look at that, it's showing signs of weakness. Not because I drew a red line, but because of where it previously sold off and got rejected. Looks like it may pass. Yep. Looks like it is continuing to go up. Hood also going up. About 1.7%. Where's my Palantir at? Right here. Okay, showing signs of support almost at that level that we wanted. But still weak, right? So if I would have bought on this candle, which I probably would have in times past, then I would still be losing money. So it's always good to be patient. QQQ. Trying to find that area of support. Intel. So Intel, we're up $1 on 250 shares. Or $250 on 8 shares. So nothing crazy here. Now I could have sold, or at 31.05 at its high, made 1%, would have been like $2.50. Wouldn't have been much on there. JDST, JNUG, Mara's going down, Meta's going way down. Microsoft, Neo finding that area of support and resistance now. So there's our resistance level. Very nice resistance level for the day. We got our support range around there, also using that EMA, the blue line as a gauge for support. But hey, Levon, good call out on this. 5% profit. So hoping you guys locked in some profits on Neo when I called it out this morning. If you did, 5% on $1,000 investments, $50. That's all some people need is $50 a day to really grow their account. Nvidia is selling off like crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's selling off. Ocugen. I did sell my shares of Ocugen yesterday. Oxy, Palantir. So they're trying to find this dip. A lot of pressure though. Not that much volume either. Still declining. So we're waiting for confirmation that it's going up. QQQ selling off, which means SQQ is having a nice little run up. Oh yeah. Oh ho ho ho. Are we trading SQQ today? Sound going down. Finding area of support. We drew this line yesterday. Finding area of support at that level. Buying in could get you 7% profit on sound. Look at that. Went up in one day. In one day it shot up 16%. Now it went down almost 7%, so be very cautious with this one. Doesn't mean it can't go up though. Look at it, it's starting to trail up. Do we get into sound instead of Palantir? Starting to curl. Really want to trade Palantir. Sound getting rejected. TQQ finding that support. Is it going to hold? Create an alert. Create alert. That's the best thing you could do too, is create alerts when you're unsure. That way you'll get alerted when something does go up. See, right here guys, Palantir would have got in. Oh, it's going up. And it's showing signs of rejection. 3% if it goes up. Sound getting rejected. So again, buying it right here at this green candle does not show signs of confirmation. You want it to go up and make 7%. Doesn't mean it has to. Okay, doesn't mean it has to. Now there was some strong pullback here by bulls and bears. Starting to look like it's going up a little bit. Someone just bought 1,000 shares. Palantir going down again. Okay, so this is really good information for you guys to not just get in, but to wait for confirmation. Now this may trail all the way back up, or it could bounce off of this blue level, which still offers us about 3%. 3% on $1,000 is $30. Sound moving a little bit, but still finding clear signs of uncertainty. Again, getting in on this company to previous areas could get you another 7%. So that's about $70 on $1,000 investment, which isn't bad for the day, guys. You know, $70 on the day is not bad. This account now has $3,200. So I do have positions open. Like this is $250 position, pretty light. Roku, I have a share of Roku, $60. Tesla, I have one share of Tesla at $187, so we're down about $8 on Tesla. So I should actually cut my losses on Tesla, but I may buy a couple more when it starts showing signs of support and resistance. So like there's support right here. Possibly, right? Let's look at the 4-hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Support. So I may just bounce off of this support. Let me delete a couple of these lines because they're irrelevant now. This is a good support level to have. That's a resistance level. We're going to get rid of that resistance level. Some are daily, some are weekly. But see, I've been trading before on Tesla. So if it can bounce, might be a good opportunity to average down. See, if I didn't have to average down though, I could have bought down here and been up about 2%. But look at it, starting to go up. Why? Because it's bouncing off of support levels. Look how many times it's bounced. On the first, on the second, on the third. It bounced off of this support level at 179. And now that's exactly what it's doing here. It's wanting to bounce off of this level. likes this level, so it wants to bounce off of it. Okay, this is a clear sign of resistance from previous day, right? Actually, I'd say it's probably more down here, like at this level. See how it bounced 1, 2, 3 times. So this is a good area of resistance. Our daily resistance level, 2.5% margin. It goes back up to where it opened. So that's something that we're watching. Should have added more to Intel, honestly, but there's just no margin here, not even 1%. So let's go back to our Palantir that we were looking at. What's it doing? Okay, starting to curl over on the MACD, showing some signs of confirmation, but look, red candle right around where that EMA line is, so it may just come back down. Okay, so you're better off to be patient on the daily charts. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Than buying in right away, right? Sound was looking good here, sound was looking good here, and now it's selling off again. So you could have made 2 or 3% profit, but that's only 20 or 30 bucks. And it's more risky because it's going down. You see how the blue line crossed over the white line? That's showing clear signs of direction. I may even change. Let's change the color on the MA. Let's go like a really heavy green. Yeah. Yeah. Really heavy green. Let's get this a little bit of a darker blue. Doesn't seem to be dark enough. I want a really dark blue. No, maybe I don't. That's too dark. That's more like a purple. Where's my blue line at? Can't really see that. Let's do that. Let's do like a teal. Cool. I like that. I like that green. Let's see what else is moving. Nothing really amazing. Hood, I guess, moved a little. Apple coming down. Amazon coming down. Tesla's way down. It just passed this area of support, so now this will become a resistance level, right? Previous support levels become resistance levels. The blue line is crossing over the green line, so the EMA is crossing over the MA. Now the blue line is a 45-day moving average. The green line is a 200-day moving average, okay? When the blue line crosses over and goes down past this, it's a clear sign of a sell-off. When it crosses above it, let me show you here. Let's see. I could find one. Okay, right here. Obviously, this went up a lot sooner than you had confirmation, but this was just one small candle. 13% actually. Do you guys see that? 13%. 13% profit in a matter of a few hours because it bounced off of this blue EMA line. Okay, the blue line, EMA, will act as a support when it's above. Okay, and that's exactly what it did. It crossed over, showing clear signs of upward direction. Look how much upward direction it's been creating. Every time it touches this blue line, it bounces off of it and goes up. Okay? Look at these strong areas of support. Now it's starting to descend. The blue line's starting to curl over. That's when we get into this area, right? Now it crossed over and is showing strong signs of rejection, as it shows on the MACD and the RSI. So very weak. Tesla's very weak right now. Palantir is not doing much. It's probably just going to end up selling off probably the majority of the day. Neo wasn't looking too bad, right? So again, like I said, if you would have bought in at this support level, sold at this resistance, you made 6.4% or around $64 on a $1,000 investment. My coffee got cold. All of my subscribers know I like to show off some of my coffee mugs. This one's Suck It To Me. Suck it to me, man. Hello, welcome. Welcome. We've been going from 5 to 10 current reoccurring viewers, so thank you. It is going to grow. We have over 70,000 members in our community and 5,000 subscribers. This is a new platform that I'm going to be what is it called? Getting involved in. A new platform I created, right? Because we have 70,000 members in our Investing for Beginners community. And I want to show you guys how you can start making some really good money. Now, today is a little bit of a slow day. Some days are going to be a little slow. How we doing? Hello, hello. Why isn't it showing? Is that it? 5, 4 concurrent. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We need some more subscribers, guys. Hit that like button for me. But yeah, announcements are going to be here. Sell off after hours. Could you think of what company it was? Breakouts, new highs, and then this is where our morning live trading sessions are going to be. As you can see, I have tons of them, almost every single day. 429, 430, 426, 411, 49, 48, 44, 43. So I've been day trading for quite some time, and now I'm actually showcasing it to you guys on how you can learn how to make money and grow. Look at that beautiful ride. Oh man, I love it. This is our Investing for Beginners community. Same thing. You get access to all my blogs, which are basically my videos all wrapped up into one, weekly newsletter, etc. Discord is the second link in the description to join. And the first link is for the Investing for Beginners community, is the first link in the description. You will need to put in your email to sign up for that weekly newsletter, and then you'll get an invite to the private group. You could also just, if you're on Facebook, type in investingforbeginners.com and answer, not really questions, just agree that you won't spam or scam the group. And then the other two is just showcasing the YouTube channel and the Discord. So there's a few ways to get in to our groups, and get in now while they're free, because once we cross over, I'd say 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, or possibly over 100,000 Facebook members, we will probably from there maybe even monetize it. So everyone who is a now subscriber or member will get access for free. All future members may have to pay, a few bucks to get in. But we have over 71,000 members in the Facebook group, so we only need 29,000 more members to get to 100,000. Facebook's at 5,000 subscribers, so we only need a little less than 5,000 to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you guys find this, interesting, you find value in this, definitely smash that like button for me. That goes a long way in helping this channel. Definitely do that for me. I'd appreciate it. Okay, Palantir dropping. So yeah, it's probably going to just end up selling off for the day. Good thing we didn't invest here, because we'd be down, or here, right? That's why we wait for confirmation. No confirmation, and we're not going to sell, or we're not going to buy this company. Simple as that. Simple as that. We need confirmation in order to trade. What was the other company we were looking at? Sound. Sound is actually up. If we would have got down here at this level, be up about 3%, about $30 on a $1,000 investment. Hello, Daryl. How you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate you spending part of your morning with us here. If you guys are new, just drop a comment saying you're new or you're here to learn. Or if you've been here for a while, let me know that too. Let's see how many new people are coming in, how many past subscribers are coming in. That'd be awesome. Dale says he's new. Well, hello. Welcome, Dale. Daryl, welcome, guys. Got a few people in the chat for sure. That's awesome. Apple may be bouncing off of this level here, which would give us just no margin there, less than 1%. Less than 1% on that trade. It's not even worth taking. It really isn't. Like less than 1% would be on $1,000, it'd be $10. AMD finding some support here. Crossing over that EMA. So that might be a little better, right? 1.63, that's about $16 on a $1,000 investment, not much. Clear signs of resistance on the day. Amazon trailing up. CVX going up, nice. DJT going down. Google is bouncing off this EMA line with potential profits at that EMA to here, 1.5%. We can retrace back up less than a point. See, less than a point. I don't really want to trade for less than a point. It's kind of pointless. Sorry, I had to throw a dad joke in there. Intel, my $250 is holding strong with only about $1 profit there. We're looking for some movers, guys. Right now I'm not seeing anything, so you're better off just staying cash heavy. Oh, bouncing off that EMA. Here we go. For about 3.5% profit. Let's get into NEO. We're gonna buy a few shares of NEO, see what it does. If it starts going up, we'll buy more. Look at this, showing signs that it's curling over. RSI, it's kind of mid. Should have bought more. Should have bought down here, honestly, when Levon called it out earlier. Thank you, Levon. Make about a 6% return. But we're gonna try to trade this, make about 3%. If it goes down, well, I'm not losing much, right? Because I'm only in like $56. And I have a potential to, I could still buy another 221 shares. So 10 shares is nothing compared to 200 shares. I'm going to create an alert above here. We're also going to create an alert here if it drops below this area of support. Then we may consider selling, cutting our losses, right? Keep our losses low, keep our runners high. Nanex, not doing much. Ocugen, not doing much. Palantir, still trying to sell off. Now, Palantir, yeah, see, it's going past this support range, which becomes now a resistance. And the next support level, I'd say, would be probably about that $20 mark, 2083 to 2020. That might be our next area of buy opportunity. But when this thing bounces, it's going to bounce really well. So that's what we're waiting for. Just got in on NEO. NEO's in that support level area. bouncing off, or we can get to some previous highs, but it's super overbought. See this dip curl? It may go back up, but it also might just keep selling off because we are in a very high buy range. So on the 1 minute chart, it looks good. On the 4 hour chart, it's a bit overextended or overbought. QQQ looking good. What's TQQ doing? Not much. TQQ's trading sideways. NEO also going down, so it got rejected. Yep, got rejected. Which is okay. See if it stays at this support. Still going up slightly. Make about 3% there if it does. 565 to here, 3%. Could go back down to support levels. But as far as right now, it's still showing signs of upward momentum. Look at this. On the 4 hour, still showing strong signs. Now, it had some resistance right here at this level. Right, so definitely be aware of that. And we also missed out on 50% profit in 14 days. So should have bought down here 2 weeks ago. Tina, new and present today. Hello, Tina. Hello. I know you were in our live stream yesterday, so thank you for returning again. Any companies you want me to call out, I definitely can do that. Looks like it wants to hold here at that EMA line. See how it stayed above it, creating a support. Now it looks like it's trying to go below. Yeah, looks like it's going below. But still overall, strong direction upward. The blue line crossed over the green line again, so that is showing clear signs of upward direction. I don't like the MACD though, starting to curl over a little. It's actually going opposite with what the RSI is doing. Finding areas of resistance though right here and support. This could be a new potential support level. Palantir is looking to maybe recover a little. Still selling off though on the 4 hour. Still looking really bad on these 1 hour. 5 minute even looks bad. Now think about it, guys. We've only been investing for about 45 minutes. So each one of these candles, if you counted them, should be about 45. Well, about 44, I guess. And so we still have the whole day. The whole day still. So in my Discord, this will be where I put what I'm buying, what I'm selling. Actually, I need to call out NEO real quick. Need to call NEO out. Trade ideas. NEO. Bought 10 shares at 565. Looking to add to position as it goes up. Okay. Looking to sell shares at probably at that 582 level. 565 to 582 would be just a little bit lower than 3%. 580. Put 580. For a 3 percent profit on the day. Okay, so definitely check out the Discord. That'll show you some of my trades and callouts. We'll see what it does as time goes on. Looks like it's wanting to go up a little. Palantir, I know we've been watching that. If you guys have any companies you want me to go over while we wait, I definitely can do that. Palantir selling off, so it would have been a nice short position. About 5% already on a short. That would have been nice. As you can see, both the EMA and the MA lines are going down, showing clear signs of a downward trend. So once it recovers, we are going to be buying more of these stocks. Goes below here. We're going to move this down for when it does bounce. It's good to have alerts. Alerts are always good to have. QQQ. Actually, what is this one? I'm going to delete that one. QQ's looking really good. Which means TQQ's probably looking even better. Where's TQQ at? Not bad. We would have invested in this company when we did. We'd be up about 15% in a week. It's $150 on a $1,000 investment in a week, so not too bad. Intel is moving up. Oh yeah, Intel's moving up really nice. Actually breaking out. Ooh. I should have bought more shares down here, like I said, for another 1%. Now 1% ain't much on the 1 minute, but look, it just cleared this old resistance, creating a support. And if we can go up even to this resistance, 2%, up to this one, 12% profit. We've been waiting for this bounce. We talked about it in our Sunday night stock talk, showing signs of rejection, showing signs of consolidation. I even said Tuesday or Wednesday, it'll probably start going up. Looks like it's trying to make that move today. Oh man, I should have bought more when I had the chance. I still can. I just don't want to buy at the high, right? I should have bought down here. Showing clear signs of a breakout though. Getting rejected a little bit, so we may have missed out on that opportunity, especially from this breakout here on the EMA. About 1%. It's like $10 on $1,000, so I didn't miss out on a lot. That's only a $7 difference from where I'm at. Tesla not looking so good. Still going up. And I'm going to buy 10. Nope. Nope. Yep. I would just hate to buy at the high, and then it starts coming down, and then my average share price is like over here, right? It's looking good though. We have a lot of move to make still, but it could come right back down. Intel might be the one that we're watching today then. The one we should have been watching the whole time. Because Palantir is just going down. I'm wasting my time with Palantir and even Sound. QQQ. Oh, here it comes. It's coming down. So if it comes down, I'll buy some more because it's still showing signs of upward momentum. But I don't want to buy at the peak. I want to buy when it dips, pulls back a little bit. See, here it goes. Good thing I didn't buy. That's why it's good to wait. That's why it's good to wait, guys. INTC. Calling out INTC. I should have did this yesterday. Bought. Small position. Eight shares. During consolidation period. Or consolidation stage. 8 shares at 31.05 during consolidation stage. Looking to add more to position as it continues to rise. Break out at, what was that breakout level? 31.14. 31.14. Looking to sell shares at, what was that level that we said earlier? That 32.08 mark. 35, 31.05. 32.08 is the next resistance. 32. For another 3% profit on the day. Potential to go even higher for a swing trade. $35.17. $35.17 for 13% profit. Cool. Okay, calling stuff out in the Discord. Hello, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Thanks for spending part of your morning with us. This live stream is running a bit longer today. Smash that like button for me. It really helps other people find this channel. See what it's doing on the 1 minute. Coming back down. So we may add a little bit to this as it goes back up. And it may be a fake breakout. Maybe like, hey, you thought so. You thought. No real news or catalysts. Analysts are saying that it's a hold. Average share or average price target's 40, high is a 68, its lows is 17, so there's still a little bit of room to go to that 40 and 68 level. 40 level would be right here. We're actually going to make a horizontal line at the 40 because that's a psychological number. Boom. If you guys have any questions, feel free and ask. I want to add, is this so bad? I feel like it's too late. Dale says interesting. What's interesting, I've shown you guys like 10 different things. Be a little bit more specific, sir. Daryl, why not add to it now? I'm thinking about it, right? Because had clear signs of resistance right here, or support. It's above the EMA still, showing signs of upward momentum. Had this slight pullback here of about 0.3%, which means there's a pullback of about the same, 0.42%. Again, we're just waiting. We don't want to get stuck here, right? Because say we buy it here, our average goes about here. So then all it has to do is come down less than a point and we lose our profits. See, look, there's that red candle. So it's finding areas of support and resistance at 31.35 right now. And no doubt it can come back down and get closer to this blue EMA line. Totally could. And it doesn't have to either. Where were we trading at yesterday? So this was our resistance level for yesterday, which is now our support level. I'm going to draw another support level right here. On the 1 hour, it's looking good, right? Going along with our trading plan just a little sooner than we thought. Starting to curl over. A little bit overbought on the RSI though, that's what scares me. A little bit overbought on the RSI, which can give a huge pullback. And MACD has no clear direction because it's not moving so much. See, here we go. It may pull back even more. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Daryl, I hope that answers your question. Dale, he says, it's interesting how you can be so patient. I would have already bought and lost money from jumping the gun, as they say. Oh, man. Dale, yes, I mean, it's taken time to be patient. I've done the same thing. I mean, I would been like, oh, it's going up, right? Fear of missing out, FOMO. Let's buy right here, right? At this point, let's draw a line. This is me hypothetically buying. And then it would have went down and I'm like, oh no, cut my losses. And I would have sold. And that would have been a day trade. I would have lost money. Or I would have bought here, went down, showed signs that it's going up, bought again here, down and bought again here. But then maybe sold right here, right? So it can go either way, you know. But even this line right here, watch it. It triple bottom or double bottom pretty much. You got 1, 2, you got 1, 2, 3. So 3 levels of resistance in this area. So that's why I like to wait. Now, if I would have traded off of this EMA this morning, could have made less than a point. So also, you know, finding those areas of key areas to buy and sell. But yeah, Dale, I was right there with you, man. I've been right there with you before. Same thing here, right? Just a minute ago, I was going to buy because I thought I was going to miss out, fear of missing out on a bigger run, on a bigger play on the upside. And actually, it's selling off now. Now, I do have a position of about $250 down here at the 3105 level, which I'd love to add to. I can still buy right around, what is that? 50 shares and still be comfortable. So 8 shares on 50 shares is nothing. That's how Palantir's doing, but still selling off. We're waiting for that bounce. Where'd it go? Well, it's just like non-existent now. Oh, here it is. Yeah, Palantir's selling off still. Still showing signs of a downward trend. Intel possibly wanting to make that bounce. Here we go. We're going to buy 10 shares. Maybe. People selling. Nope, looks like it's going to go down again. Yep. Probably get down a little bit lower. Yeah, we're going to wait for confirmation. All right, and that is the hour mark on the live day trading session. Sorry it wasn't a little bit more interesting today. Sometimes just the way it is. I'd rather wait and hold my money than lose my money by being too aggressive and spend, trying to push a trade or make a trade happen. So definitely subscribe to the channel, give you updates, and then also join our Discord. That's where I will give out the majority of my trade ideas and stuff like that. So never ask you to buy, hold, or sell anything. All I can do is show you what I'm doing in the stock market. So appreciate your guys' time. I'll keep you guys up to date on my position as time goes on. Definitely check out the first link to get access to our investingforbeginnerscommunity.com, which we're going to be revamping and updating pretty much weekly, if not daily. And then the second link below gives you access to our Investing for Beginners community. So definitely check that out. Here's some information on me, my golden ratio, my golden rules, account size, what I like to focus on, my criteria checklist before I start trading, rules for all of you who are new, facts for everyone who is looking for more information as far as what even is the pattern day trading rule that I talk about, PDT, what exactly is market order, stop order, limit order, stuff like that. I give out announcements when I do my videos, like this company's selling off, Sunday night stock talks, some updates on just what I'm doing on the weekend, and again, more companies that I'm looking at. Trade ideas will go here. As you can see, those are the 2 trade ideas that I did give you guys this morning, and I will be updating this throughout the day. And then my morning live trading sessions will be right here. And giveaways. Don't forget, you can enter to win cash prizes every month. Every month, the cash and prizes get bigger. Winners will be announced at the beginning of each month. So on the first of every month, we will announce a beginner. And how do you qualify? You simply just must be a YouTube subscriber. That's simple. Now, the cool thing about that is that every member has a possible chance to win free money and items every single month as a member. Just click this link right here. Obviously, you're watching on YouTube, so subscribe. In February, we gave away a $100 Amazon gift card or a $250 mystery box. I do need to update this a little bit more because we had a March. See right here, this was the March winner. So this was our February contest. This was our March winner. I got to update for April, and then now we are May 7th, so I need to update for May. So we've been giving out a lot of prizes. It's been really fun doing so. Main chat, if you guys want to get involved here, main chat, swing chat, day trading chat, options, ETFs, crypto, profits. This is where we can give our profits out. So definitely check that out. What happened? Why did it mess up on me? Here we go. Show areas that stocks I'm trading. Right here was a great day. I made $2,200 in my $30,000 margin account on some of these companies here. Made this one's $52. Now I think it's up to $67 in 5 days on the small $1,000 account. And then yesterday was our big win right here. Yesterday, as you can see today at 12 o'clock midnight, I did update it. Made $254 on our small $3,000 account, giving us just under 10%, which is just amazing. Doesn't always happen, but when it does, it's always great. What is all of that info? What page is this? This is the Discord. So it's the second link in the description below this video. Free invite to our Discord. This is where we give out our main trade ideas, my announcements of what we're looking at, giveaways, and then a main chat where you can talk with other like-minded individuals. First link gives you access to the Investing for Beginners community website. Okay, website. This is where you can see like my blogs, about me section, stuff like that. And then the Investing for Beginners community, over 70,000 members right now. Just another community that you guys can join. So definitely check it out. Here's the blog, just more videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I appreciate your time. Intel's looking like it wants to bounce off of this. So we will be adding, oh, no, we're not. Wait, hold on. Giving you guys a little bit of extra minutes here. Usually I do these live streams anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. What's it gonna do? Then buy another 10 shares. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Looks like it's not gonna bounce off of that after all. Neo looking to bounce slightly here. So I'll keep you guys up to date throughout the day in my Discord. Oh yeah, it looks selling off. I'm actually going to create an alert right around here. It goes below. Or if it starts to go back above now. Alerts are always good to have. Thanks, Tina, for asking those questions. Definitely join those communities. That's why we didn't buy. That's exactly why I didn't buy here, right? 2 green candles did not show signs of confirmation. And like I said earlier, if I would have bought way up here, I would have bought up here because I was afraid I'd miss out. My position average would have been around here, and I would have broke even. That's exactly why I didn't do it. So we're going to wait for confirmation, upward direction for this to actually start going up again. And it may go up since right now, but we're going to watch it for a little bit. Neo wanting to bounce off of this area. And it might. It is a super overbought though, guys. Look at this. Super overbought on the 4 hour. Whereas Intel is super oversold on the 4 hour, trying to break out to make newer highs. Whew, that's why it's good to wait. That's why it's good to wait for confirmation. All right, guys. Thank you. Appreciate your time. I don't see the link for the Discord. Really? Let me check on that real quick. Oh yeah, go to more. So if you're watching on the phone, let me see if I could show you real quick. Let me see if I could show you real quick. Right here. So there's this little blue link for the Investing for Beginners. Wow, that's really crappy, isn't it? It doesn't adjust. Man, that's horrible. It's this right here. that little tiny button right there that says Discord. There's the first link, and then there's that little button. You click on that little button. I'll do it right now. Click on that button. Oops. There you go. And then you can go to either Google, Chrome, Safari, whatever you're using, or you can download the app. So like if I go to Chrome, it'll load. Wait, what? What? Why is it doing that? Open with. So on the phone, you may have to, or I hit Safari. So whatever platform you're using, I don't have Google Chrome. So I hit Safari and there you go, Discord, invite to the group. Just depends on what you have. If you have Google Chrome, regular Google, or Safari, you can also use a default app or just download Discord. Hit this button, whichever one you're using, and it'll take you straight to the discord.com private invitation to our group. Just hit accept invite and you can get in to our Discord. Thanks, guys. I hope that was educational and you found some value in it. Tina, I will see you in the Discord. Thank you all and have a